in the city sample buildings, what the difference between a corner mesh and a column mesh, and how their usage varies in uh, generation of the buildings, right? Uh, so I would like to know what to elaborate about your question, because the column mesh as is not there in any of the properties of the section of the PBG, right? The column meshes. And so if you're here in the chat, if you're listening, then if you like to elaborate about this, then we can try to explain it in much better way, right? But a corner mesh is used when you have your building at exactly 45 degrees angle, so that you can add a corner mesh to complete the building, right? A column mesh might be a pillar, I'm guessing. So you can use a column mesh when your building is not perfectly 45 degrees at corners, right? That's what I am thinking. So if that's not what you are what you are expecting, but you couldn't understand, then you can just ask it again. All right.